Here we have Ken Lockard with Perfection Group showing us proper brazing and soldering techniques.
First, we want to clean the fittings up real good. You want to get the copper piece here, and you want to get the insides of these all cleaned up, and maybe even around the outside, so when you do your soldering, it'll come through there. And then once you cut your copper, you want to take what they call a reamer. You want to ream it down. It gets all the loose stuff off of it, and make sure you hold it down at an angle so it falls back out. And then you just, since we're doing some soldering, all you need to do is put a light coat of flux on your fittings. You don't need it on any but just one piece of pipe. Just put it on there nice and smooth. And then we can fit it in. Now this end has already been prepped up and everything like that. Alright, now we light the torch, and we're using Stay Bright 8 and flux on this part here. Cool it down slowly. And then you want to clean the fitting off to get rid of all the residue that's on there. That way you get all the flux off of there, and then you don't have all that green looking stuff laying all over the pipe for a while. Alright?
Perfect. This is part 2 of brazing and soldering with Ken Lockard.
Alright, we showed copper to copper soldering with Stay Bright and flux. Now we're going to go copper to copper with Sulfos number 15, because it's got silver, a lot of silver in it. So over there you notice we had to put flux on. Here we don't need to put flux on, but we need to clean the fittings just as we did the other one. Now on the valves, you usually get a Schrader, but the valve comes without the Schrader right now, so you got to take the cap off, and then you got a valve stem on this type of valve here, which has got 2 plastic gaskets on the inside, so you got to take them out. So we just slide this on here like that, and then you're required to wrap the valve body with some rag and cold water. So we just wrap this up real good. Now on this system here, we are purging this with nitrogen to get the flaking of the copper and any contaminant that's in there out, so you can feel the nitrogen coming through there. You want the copper to stay as clean as copper as you possibly can on the inside. Now this is a Sulfos 15, it's a rod, where the other way it was a spool with flux on it. And on this we have to get the copper so it flows, cherry glow, to get this to flow, because it takes a higher temperature to make it work. You want to heat your pipe up first before you go into your socket, because you never get your solder to flow right.